Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some potato salad, and my ingredients are pretty simple. I've got 5 decent sized potatoes that I boiled for about 30 minutes, peeled and diced up. I've got 4 boiled eggs that took about 10 minutes, also peeled and diced up. I've got 2 stalks of celery, finely chopped, and about 4 green onions. I'm going to be using Duke's mayonnaise and yellow mustard, and they're both almost gone, so you can see I've opened up some new ones, and some sweet relish and a little bit of salt. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting the mayonnaise and mustard in the potato with some salt, mixing it up. And then I'll incorporate the rest of the ingredients and let you know about how much of them that I put in there. Okay, so I've got the mayonnaise and mustard and salt mixed into the potato. I put about a cup of mayonnaise and a 1/4 cup of mustard and about 2 teaspoons of salt in here. And next I'm just going to be putting in the eggs and the green onion, and celery, and then I've got to open this relish. Put about 2 tablespoons in there and see how it goes, and I'll let you know what I actually put in there after I mix it all up. Okay guys, here it is. I've mixed everything up. So the recipe was 5 potatoes boiled, peeled, diced, 4 boiled eggs, peeled and diced, 2 celery stalks, 4 green onions, a cup of Duke's mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, about 2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 tablespoons of relish. I use the sweet relish. You can use the sour or none, depending on how you like it. But now I'm going to cover this with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or so to let it chill. So there you go, potato salad. See you on the next one.